How to make money from home. Making any extra money into a side hustle does not have to be too difficult. As someone who has spent nearly 2 decades working in the area of online income generation, we can assure you that it definitely takes some effort. There are, however, a few straightforward paths forward. At the end of the day, it all comes down to your priorities and how much you want to automate your earnings. Is it possible for you to receive an additional $200 a month? Yes, of course. How about $1,000 extra per month? What effect will that have on your life? It would make a big difference to most people. Today, we will tell you about how to make money from home. Before we start, go ahead and subscribe. Also, press the bell button to get the latest updates. Without any further delay, let us start. As a virtual assistant, one easy way to make money from home is to assist others in completing tasks. If you are well organized and have good time management skills, being a virtual assistant is a low-risk way to break into the digital services industry. No matter where you live, you can easily perform these tasks as a remote worker. Sites like Upwork, Indeed.com, and Remote.co will help you to find work as a virtual assistant. Develop bids for jobs that have already been released. Effective communication skills, as well as fluency in English and common web and business software applications, are definitely required. Next on the list, we have sell stuff on eBay or Craigslist. Selling products on Craigslist and eBay is a full-time job for a significant segment of our population. You may do this by selling your own goods or by assisting others in selling their items in exchange for a small fee. Selling on eBay has a higher barrier to entry than Craigslist, and you will need to develop a good reputation before moving high-ticket products. eBay, on the other hand, offers tools for sellers to help them get used to selling on the website. Take the time to study the site and do your homework. You will find this much simpler if you have good online marketing experience rather than if you are a total newbie to the world of digital marketing. Next, we have trade cryptocurrency. Our currency evolves in parallel with the digital world. What was once considered a novelty would eventually become the preferred method of payment. In 2016, 10% of people said cash was their favorite payment form, according to a Gallup survey. Although cryptocurrency is still in its infancy, it will inevitably become the industry norm. While Bitcoin and Ethereum are the most popular cryptocurrency platforms today, the blockchain will eventually transform the US dollar into the digital dollar. You can profit from the latest cryptocurrency boom by trading it on platforms such as eToro and Kraken, among many others. Next, we have online tutoring. Schooly, TutorMe, and Tutor.com are only a few of the websites that can help you get started in the online tutoring world. Although you are not forced to use any one of these platforms, they do have a lower friction entry into the market. You should also look for online tutoring opportunities on platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and others. What subjects are you able to teach online? If you are bilingual, you might easily tutor a subject like math or science while still teaching a language. You may also teach students how to play musical instruments like the guitar or piano, as well as a variety of other subjects. Next, we have Fiverr. Since its launch, Fiverr has expanded dramatically. It's now a huge marketplace where you can sell almost every service imaginable. This is fantastic if you want to make money online as a digital nomad, or even when sitting at home in your pajamas on your laptop. What exactly are you able to sell on Fiverr? Graphics and design, as well as digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation, music and audio, programming and application development, business services, and lifestyle services such as celebrity impressions and gaming are all available. Next, we have Build Sales Funnel. Every effective company has a sales funnel that is automated. Despite this, many companies are entirely unaware of the value of a well-designed funnel. In the sales process, sales funnel automate the process. They assist you in developing a relationship with your audience and a bond with the customer. There are several tools available to help you design a sales funnel, but the world's most successful companies often use custom-coded funnels. A free bid, also known as a lead magnet, is a popular starting point for expert sales funnels. You build trust with the customer by providing value in the lead market. A self-liquidating bid, also known as a tripwire, is typically found in the next stage. These are hard to pass up, with prices ranging from $7 to $47. Beyond that, the front-end deal is normally found, along with one-time discounts, to help increase the customer lifetime value and average cart value. Although there are many technical aspects to sales funnels, knowing them now, right now, could put you on the road to greater online marketing prowess. It can also help you scale your company by increasing your ad spend after optimizing your conversion rate. Next, we have rent your home. Another way to earn money at home is to rent out your house. Vacation rentals have become a thriving industry thanks to Airbnb. Although the market existed prior to Airbnb's launch, it has evolved in leaps and bounds since then. Other industry consolidations have occurred, with leading sites like Invited Homes' acquisition of PPG Rentals and Season Dreams websites, and Expedia's $3.9 billion acquisition of another vacation rental giant, HomeAway. The market is booming, and now is the best time to get in, regardless of how large or tiny your house or condo is. Next, we have launch an e-commerce site. E-commerce is on the rise. Consumers are buying in droves because they can get great deals, even though Amazon takes the lion's share here. In reality, some of the most popular online marketers, including Neil Patek, Frank Dern, Dean Groweski, David Sharp, John Reese, and others have made small fortunes using Plus free shipping e-commerce and book funnels. This relates to how sales funnels are implemented in an e-commerce environment. Most of what people believe about conventional e-commerce stores taking months or even years to construct and costing a small fortune is simply untrue. Next, we have start a blog. When traveling the globe, blogs are one of the easiest ways to earn a passive income. Although it may be easy to start a blog, you will need to put in the time and effort to reap the benefits. Plant the seeds now for a later harvest. However, once your blog is up and running, earning money and expanding your company is easy. Simply build more content and increase the number of deals available. As your blog becomes more popular, you will be able to attract top talent who will write for you in exchange for a single highly successful link back to their own websites. That's all for today, folks. Tell us in the comment section what is your point of view. See you soon with yet another amazing video.